Hello and welcome to 6 Minute Maths, the channel where we try and show you a maths topic in under 6 minutes to help you revise. Just a little tip, if you want to wait until the end slide and take a picture with your phone, you'll have your own handy revision card saved to your phone to help you revise. Okay, so let's have a look at circle parts. They've all got different names. So we've got things like the segment, the circumference, the diameter, the sector, the tangent, the radius, the chord, the midpoint. That's not on there. There's a few more. Let's have a look at the first few. So let's get going. So the first three I want to show you are the radius. This is really important. We use the radius measurement when we're calculating the area of a circle. So it's really important you know that the radius starts from the centre of the circle and touches any edge all the way around. Okay, and then the diameter. The diameter is also really important to remember because we can use this to calculate the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. And the diameter goes all the way across and through the middle. And the middle is called the midpoint. So the point in the very centre of the circle is called the midpoint. So those are the first three circle parts that you need to remember. Let's move on. So the next three circle parts, we've got the circumference, which is the first one, and that goes all the way around the edge. It is another word for a perimeter. Every other shape when we measure it, the outside and all the way around or around the edge, is called the perimeter, but the circle has a fancy name, if you like. It's called the circumference. The next one in the middle there, the tangent, is a line that touches the edge of the circumference anywhere on the circle. That example's just at the top, but it could be anywhere. Okay, so that line is called a tangent. A tangent touches any part of the circumference and it goes straight through. The third image on this page is called an arc. Okay, and an arc touches a part of the circumference, like you can see with that one there. That one's a minor arc. If anything's over a quarter of a circle, it's called a major arc. So that's an arc. Okay, let's move on. Some more here. So another three to show you. So a line that goes through and touches each edge of the circumference but doesn't go through the middle is called a chord. That's the name of a line that goes from one edge to the other on the inside, and it's called a chord. And you can see in the second part now, in the middle bit there, we've got the line that goes from one edge to another, but then it's filled in, and the bit that's shaded is called a segment. Always reminds me of Terry's chocolate orange segments. Nice easy one to remember for the test. And then we've got another part here which is using two radiuses from the centre to the edge, and then the bit that's shaded in the middle is called a sector. And that's rather like a slice of cake, so I always remember it by a slice of cake is the sector. Okay, so just to summarise, if you want to take a picture on your phone you can do. So you've got a nice revision card there. The radius goes from the centre to the edge. It's a line that goes from the centre to the edge. The diameter goes all the way across through the midpoint. The midpoint is the centre point of a circle. The circumference goes all the way around the edge. It's a fancy name for a perimeter. The tangent is a line that touches the circumference, just passes through the circumference. An arc is a part of the circumference. A chord is a line that goes through the inside of the circle from one edge to another, but it doesn't pass through the midpoint. We've got a sector, which is like a slice of cake, and a segment, which is like a piece of orange. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.